What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to manage app notifications in Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on notifications and status bar. Now here in notifications and status bar, click on app notifications and here you can turn on or off the notifications for all the apps that you have installed in your phone. So if you want to allow the notifications, then turn on its respective button, and if you want to turn off the notification for a app, then turn off its respective button. You can also customize or manage more notification settings by tapping on the app. So just simply tap on the app in which you want to manage the notifications. Now from here you can turn on or off different notification features. You can set the different additional settings in the app. So if you want to allow or disallow sound or vibration, then turn off or turn on their respective buttons, and you can do it for all the settings. So that's how you can manage app notifications in Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.